Hi everybody, I'm Jeff from Missouri Wind and Solar, and I want to show you our new compact all-in-one charge controller board that we just come out with for 2017. Now this compact all-in-one charge controller board is made for wind turbines and solar panels to run both at the same time. Now we put everything on a board that you need for a basic starter, and it's all pre-wired. All you have to do is take the positive, hook to the positive on your battery bank, and all of the blacks, the negatives, to the negative on your battery bank. And it's powered up, all ready to go. Now, we put everything on here for a wind turbine to get you started. We have the dump load, we have the charge controller, the rectifier, and the brake switch, and this is set up for a three-phase wild AC output wind turbine. Just take the three leads from your wind turbine, put them in the top right here, screw it down, your wind turbine is all ready to go. Comes with the brake switch, just turn it to the run position when your wind turbine is operating and it'll be charging your battery. Turn it to free and that just lets your wind turbine free spin, it doesn't do anything. And if you want to shut it down to work on it, or there's a windstorm coming up, just flip it to the brake. Now it's got our digital charge controller on it. And this comes in 12 and 24 volt models so far. The digital is totally programmable. And this is not like some of the other digital ones that you've seen on the market that people are trying to copy. This is a special charge controller that we have designed ourselves and have manufactured, and is extremely heavy duty. And here's your relay. Now, it also comes with a 24 volt modified sine wave inverter. To hook your solar panels up to this, just take the positive lead of your solar panel, come into this post, and come out of that post with a positive lead down to the positive on your battery bank. That's all you have to do to hook up solar to this. So this is pretty awesome. The price has come down. This is much cheaper than our larger all-in-one charge controller board. But this is a great starter for anybody, and it may just serve all of your needs anyway. Now, some of the components on this board might change when you see this video. Might make some modifications. But this is a 2500 watt, 24 volt inverter, or DC to AC inverter, that's coming with this board. Now this inverter's got a couple of AC outlets, a digital display, and a switch to flip your inverter on and off. Now this board also comes with an inline fuse for the inverter. Now if you want to know where to buy this, Missouri Wind and Solar is the only one that makes it. We're the only one that sells it. You'll find a link to this compact charge controller board below the video, take you right to our website. Now keep in mind, this is a video, and from time to time we're going to make some changes, and may not come with the names, may be different color resistors, but we might change things on here from time to time. So go to the website, you'll see exactly what you're going to get, and it all comes pre-assembled on a galvanized backplate. We've taken a long time to design this board, but you can also add onto this board. If you need another dump load, you can simply attach another dump load on this. Now remember, if you have a this is a 24 volt unit. What you have to remember is your battery bank needs to be set up 24 volt, and you need a 24 volt wind turbine or 24 volt solar panels to operate the 24 volt model. Same for the 12 volt. The 12 volt model, you have to have a 12 volt battery bank, 12 volt solar panels, 12 volt wind turbine. Anyway, I hope you like this. I know you're going to. All the work is done. Oh, one more part. This is the rectifier for your wind turbine. So I'm Jeff from Missouri Wind and Solar, and thanks for watching.